Spin Master Monster Jam Series 15 Thunder 4x4. Where did I get the wristband out for? Thunder 4x4. A nice yellow wristband. Has monsterjam.com on it and also the Monster Jam logo. Here is the poster for Series 15. It is Avenger. This paint scheme was ran at the World Finals 20. Legacy Trucks is El Toro Loco, the yellow version. Then Elemental Trucks, Hurricane Force. There's the World Finals Avenger. Then we get Retro Rebels of Max D. Boneyard Trucks of Son of a Digger. Then Retro Rebels of Gravedigger the Legend. On to the Universe Trucks is Northern Nightmare. There is the Forces of Nature, Thunder 4x4. And then the Ride Trucks is Earthshaker. So let's go ahead and check out Thunder 4x4. Let's go ahead and bring in Thunder 4x4 now. Thunder 4x4 debuted in December of 2013, and it is a 2006 Chevy Silverado body style. It is an independent truck. There we go with the graphics on the side of Thunder 4x4, an updated Monster Jam logo there, and then a little detail on the side of the window. Then around to the front, we get those lights. And the front looks really nice. Then on the hood, we get the Thunder 4x4, the name of the truck. It kind of looks lightning and thunder going on. Then turning it around to the opposite side. And then to the back, to the tailgate. Thunder 4x4. So nice updated version of what Thunder 4x4 looks like. That wraps it up. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.